Hello, my name is Natalie, and today I want to talk to you about the Haakaa Ladybug. The Haakaa Ladybug is a fantastic tool to help you collect your letdown. Essentially, this product replaces disposable nursing pads or even reusable nursing pads, but helps you to collect your milk that otherwise might be lost. It can be used while you're feeding your baby to collect the letdown, and it can also be used while you're out and about in the day due to its slim and discreet size. Let's take a look at how to use your Haakaa Ladybug. You will first plug the hole on the top of the Haakaa. You then center it over the nipple and place it in your bra. If you want passive milk collection, you're good to go. Otherwise, you can gently squeeze against your breast to create a light seal and suction to hold the ladybug against your breast. Once your letdown starts, you're ready to start collecting every drop of your precious gold, regardless of if you're feeding or out and about. Once you're ready to move the milk to the collection container, you simply detach it, unplug the top hole, and pour your milk through the hole into the collection container. One thing that you do want to keep in mind when using your Haakaa Ladybug is the safe storage of breast milk. Because your body is warmer than room temperature, my recommendation would be to switch out the milk and clean the Ladybug every 2 hours. If you're looking for a Haakaa hack with the Ladybug, you can actually use the Ladybug for protecting sore nipples or protecting nipples from yeast infection. The way that I would do that is open up the top, because you're actually going to want to allow airflow this way, and you can center the nipple, and you will actually be able to protect the nipple if it's very sore or if you have yeast infections, and you can also collect milk as an added bonus.